LivingFree is a user-friendly cognitive behavioral training program designed to retrain the brain in a way that breaks tobacco addiction forever in just a few short weeks. To complete the program, participants work through 12 online training sessions at their own pace. During each session, they watch short pre-recorded videos of a live instructor, answer quizzes, and complete surveys and training exercises. Our proprietary personal coach software delivers personalized coaching along the way, and assignments using specialized key to success cards and support audios round out the training process between sessions. Here's some excerpts from the LivingFree program.
In this program, I will teach you a series of incredibly powerful yet simple principles that will help you break free of your tobacco habit quickly, but it's going to teach you how to do it without feeling deprived, denied, or irritable. What you can expect is that I'll be straightforward with you in my conversation. I'll share with you what we've seen to work for hundreds of thousands of people over the last 3 decades. As a smoker, you've got beliefs about why you smoke, how you quit, why you can't quit, and so on. But these beliefs have nothing to do with reality. You don't know why you smoke. You don't know how to quit. This program is about creating an ex-smoker's mindset, which means you're never going to have to deal with this issue again. In fact, your new pack insert card will help you do that. Each time you think about having a cigarette, between now and the next session, I want you to read this card. What it says is, I'd like to smoke a cigarette, and the choice is up to me. Today's session will blow your mind. You're going to discover today, beyond any doubt, why you smoke or use tobacco of any kind. At first you won't believe it, and when it sinks in, you won't like it. And then all of a sudden you'll get that there is indeed a possibility of life without tobacco. In a minute, I'm going to ask you to take a 10-minute break, during which you may smoke a ceremonial cigarette if you choose. And when you come back, you will begin the process of training your mind and healing your body. Your addictive smoker's mind is constantly trying to find ways to negate the value of living smoke-free. The addictive part of our mind is very clever and even creates some subtle ways of getting you into the victim state. The Wheel of Certainty explains from a psychological standpoint why the statement, "a puff away from a pack a day," is so accurate. Anticipation of the future creates the anxiety. So let yourself know that the urges will go away and it's okay for you to have them now. In fact, every urge that you have really is an opportunity to train your mind more quickly. Be willing to be perfect this week. Being perfect, what does that mean? Well, this activity that satisfies the condition of being perfect is no puffs, no acts, creating 5 urges a day, and reading your creed each and every time you think about smoking. If you haven't smoked since session 7 and have less than 10 urges per day and have the creed memorized, congratulations. What I'd like you to do right now is cut the umbilical cord. Get up from your computer, march outside to the garbage can, and toss your cigarettes away. You don't need them anymore. You made it. Be proud of yourself. Your life will never be the same. You are completing this program and completing an era of your life. I don't care how old you are or what your past has been made up of. The only thing that can limit you is you.